Now you tell me, Abel.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another channel. It's Abel Gallegas here, and I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting play. Today's an awesome episode because I'm going to be featuring some of my teammates in today's workout, in today's video. So, hold on to your seats because today's going to be an exciting one. The guards went online on Zoom workout, and we did this Olympic lift workout that our strength and conditioning coach, Master Gus, designed for us. So what I did and what Master requested me to do was to get some recordings so he can evaluate our forms and our explosive movements and make sure that we're performing it safely, because he is also a safety officer during the time that we're working. So I just wanted to share this because ultimately the players and you guys bring these videos to life, right? So if I make these videos and it means nothing to anyone else and it doesn't help my team, it doesn't help you, then there's no point in me posting these videos. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Give a shout out to one of your favorite players on our team in the comment section, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's workout or today's watching behind the scenes of our workout.
Wanted me to record, so every now and then I'll just hit the record button and record you guys. All right, so we're good to go. We'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll let you guys count your own reps. Good job. Good job. Nice, guys. Make sure we exhale on that clean going up. Deep exhale.
In 3, 2, 1. Okay, start.
Down that feet on the landing. Alright. What's up, guys? I'm getting a little heavier on the second set.
Guys.
Okay, make sure it's one smooth motion. We're generating the force from our knees to our hips, and then that generates the force going up. Okay, so it's gonna be quick. If it's slow, then it's probably too heavy of weight.
Ready in 10.
1 eternity later.
Okay, at the top, make sure that dumbbells facing forward and touch your
3,
shoulders.
2, 1. Okay, start.
And then straight to the other side.
Nice.
Good job, guys. Nice, JV. Nice, Robbie. Good job, Jerron. Good job, MJ. Nice, Coach Tone. Guys, see, we have a lot more break, and that allows us to be explosive every single time. Because again, we're working on that strength.
Exercise number 4 is your dumbbell clean into a split jerk. All right, so we worked on a pull. We worked on the clean, single arm and both arms. We worked on the hang clean with the deep squat. Now we're gonna try clean first. Yeah, this is why I don't do the jerk.
And then jerk. You're gonna do a scissor hop.
30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, start.
That's 1. All right, here, clean.
we doing both
On that
sides right
jerk,
now? Or
make
what?
sure we recoil our knees.
Are we doing both sides
Yes.
right now?
Now, first set's left, and then the
Yes,
second set
yes.
is right.
Alright.
Good job, guys. Hey, forms look good from my end. I know Coach Mike is
Yeah.
a form cop today.
One side lang, one side. Coach, one side lang yung ano, for this exercise.
And then next set, we'll go to the other side.
Other set. Yeah.
Now you tell me, Abel.
That's my bad. That's poor instructions. My fault.
20 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, start your second set. Ayun. Nakuha rin ni JT. Quarter squat mo na JT yan.
Oh, guys.
Explode going down. Let's go 1,000, 1,000. Hit that shoulder.
30
Recoil your knees. Explode up again. Okay. Imagine like you're about to jump, but you're not jumping. But that's how much explosion we want.
In 3, 2, 1. Okay, start.
1,000, 1,000. 1,000, 1,000.
Not so deep, guys. Not so deep.
All right,
Ready?
bet.
You don't gotta do too much.
1. Okay, start.
For real. I like that, Robbie. Thanks for the feedback. And I agree 100%. Really,
Just to
you
be
can.
fair, guys, this kind of exercises doesn't need a lot of repetitions. Intensity or weight, yes, eventually, but not so many repetitions.
I feel it.
Yep.
There you go. I'm glad. Thanks for that feedback, Rob. Now, as you go up, generate force from your heel to your hips, going up, and then row. It's going to be quick, okay? And then also end on your toes. And then going down, make sure you bend your
30
knees
seconds.
going down.
In 3, 2, 1. Okay, start. Nice, guys.
Good job, guys. Last set.
My heart rate got up to like 159.
Happy birthday,
Control
Coach
going
To!
In 3,
Bruh.
2, 1. Okay, start.
All right, that completes this workout, man.
This is a special episode that I wanted to include. One of the ways that I'd like to share and taking a video of our workouts on Zoom. And so some of you guys join online on our Facebook, be able to watch our once a week workouts on Zoom, Facebook online. And today we did an internal Zoom workout with the guards only. So what you're gonna see is our explosive workout, Olympic lifts. You're gonna be able to see all of our players doing it together. I wanted to compile this for all of the guards, my teammates. That way they can see their form, see how they can improve, see what they're doing a great job, and just appreciate the workout, and then we can do it all together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and thanks again.